Universal Hip Hop Museum, alongside Microsoft and the MIT Center, launches the Revolution of Hip Hop exhibit. Taking place at Bronx Terminal Market, the exhibition features installations exploring the history of hip hop from the 70s. Hip-hop dancer and choreographer Pop Master Fable is proud to be a part of the team that created this creative expo.
Super excited to be here at the Revolution of Hip Hop, brought to you by the Universal Hip Hop Museum. I don't even have words to fully describe the excitement that we all share. Quite often, hip hop is misunderstood and is just written off as like a fad or something, but there's so much to it, so much history. And a lot of that history is right in this space, right here, right now.
Through artifacts to artificial intelligence, the exhibit presents the 5 elements of hip-hop culture: emceeing, breakdancing, aerosol art, and knowledge. Co-creator of the exhibit, Sinyon Kelly, and co-founder of Bronx native, Amaris Guyon, explains how innovative the installations truly are.
They're asked a series of questions as to what type of music they like, and kind of takes them through this whole timeline that they put together. And at the end of the experience, you can actually put together a playlist of different songs that they think that you would like.
I love the subway that you see behind me. Incredible, right? It makes you feel like you're back in the 1980s and you really feel the vibes of the brewing of hip hop.
Guyon also says the space serves a greater purpose as it educates its visitors about the positive and cultural aspects of the Bronx.
Through art, media, apparel, entrepreneurship, we're trying to change the narrative and the stigma of the Bronx to make it a positive one.
Next year, the exhibit plans to compose more installations covering the history of hip-hop in the 80s to the present time. For ticket information, you can check out their website below. Reporting for BronxNet, Genesis Santos.